go to the layer menu in Affinity Photo and select new layer. Create a new layer. You can see it's a pixel layer. Now, it can be anything. It could be an image, whatever you can create. But I'm just going to go for a gradient. Create a quick gradient using the gradient tool. Then swatches. I'm just going to add a quick. What I want is a pixel design, because with a pixel design, I can go up here to layer. So layer and down to new pattern layer from selection. And that's what I want to do. Now, I've been doing lots of videos with the Liquify, and that's just up in the top along with mirror. I'm just going to put mirror on as well. But here, Liquify. I've been thinking that it only works with pixel layers. Well, it actually also works with patterns, which is very odd. Works slightly odd though, but it does work. So click there to Liquify. And inside there, what you can do, just select one of these tools. Please check out my videos on the mesh, brushes, etc. There's loads and loads of videos on that. So I'm just going to go for this one, push. And you can see now what happens, it updates in a very odd way. Doesn't make it the easiest, but you can see it does update. And you can distort this design, so you can just drag it and stretch. But again, you see this weird sort of update, very odd. And you can also apply the other ones, turbulence, and you can apply. You can just hold down there and you can see as you do that, it will roughen up fairly quickly with turbulence. And again, still continue with maybe that one as well, move it around. And you can create lots of different designs. However, click apply. And as you've done that, now you can see once you're out of there, you've got your pattern design. Well, it's still there. You can see, actually, I'm just going to delete the underline layer so you can see the actual design. There it is. It's been modified, distorted, etc. So pattern layers can be used with Liquify. And of course, what you can do, you can always duplicate this design, hold down the Alt Option key and duplicate, so you can create even more unique designs. Combine them, just go down here, maybe go for difference. You can see the design there. Now, what you can also do then is select both of them. Both selected, you always go to layer and merge selected. Now, the merge selected doesn't always generate exactly the same display, I always think. However, what you got, I'm just going to work with this. So it's one layer, again, it's still a pattern layer, again, Liquify, but you also got option here, filters, repeat Liquify. Just apply it and you can see what happens. It applies it, and again, repeat Liquify. Apply it again, resize that, filters, repeat Liquify. And you can create literally infinite amount of combinations of designs. And again, repeat Liquify, or if it's not any good, undo. But again, layer and duplicate. So you can duplicate that. And again, go down here, blending modes, go down to say difference. And you can see you can actually create even more unusual designs. Again, what you do, layer and merge selected, or just go for merge visible. I think merge visible often gives a better result, but that unfortunately becomes a pixel layer. I'm not going to do any more pattern work with it. So with it as a pixel, what you can do, I can still continue to go and apply more effects here with Liquify. And you can do that. So now just simply click up here, just up this one, the second one there, and you can then modify this design. So you can create some even more unique designs using that with patterns. Now, of course, that isn't a pattern anymore, but that is still obviously a pattern design that was created in patterns. But you can see the result. You can create all kinds of unique designs. Once you're happy with that, click apply, and you see the end result there. Well, what you can also do, of course, is repeat Liquify again, or go to fade Liquify. So you can fade it, so you can actually blend between the two to create sort of more painterly sort of effects, and just run through maybe different blend modes. Maybe go for lighten. I think lighten's always good, or screen. Just use that and fade that, click apply. And again, repeat Liquify, and so on and so on. So you can create literally thousands of different designs just from a very basic gradient at the start point. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.